on your weapons. Finally back on the water again. And we are both keen as a bean to get out there and get some bending happening. We've got Savage Blue Waters out with us. They're just at the end of the jetty off Lucinda now. Dunk's on his way up with his crusher. So by 7 p.m. tonight, we should have all 3 boats congregated somewhere around Orpheus. And then we'll be punching out bright and early to some of the wider reef systems to see how we can go. But yeah, super stoked to be back on the water with that you, mate. Been talking about it for about the last week. Super pumped. Young fella even had the day off school today. Just wanted to get everything ready, make sure everything was prepped and 100%. When you do these overnighters, you want to make sure that you got everything squared away. So yeah, just made sure everything was rock solid, and hopefully the weather behaves itself. Hopefully the fish behave themselves, and hopefully we have a killer weekend. Yeah. But yeah, stay tuned, and hopefully very shortly you'll see some action. Ew.
He ain't beating the saltest. Nah, he's not. He didn't take like a drag. Yeah, it's a weird fish.
Yeah, it's a scud. It is a scud. Nice. Do you want me to get your bail? Nice, bud.
Yeah, can you flip my bail?
There you go.
Dad? First cast.
Nice, dude.
Might as well go for another one.
Might as well. Some strip bait.
Right. There you go, guys. It's a nice little scad. He's going to be great strip bait. And if you guys were wondering, so these things, they never stop moving at all. Like if they stop moving, they die. And because they won't stop moving, see I've got my finger in his gills. If you do that, they can't move. As soon as I take it out, like I put my finger in his gills while he was flipping around. He didn't move one bit. So little quiz, I guess. But yeah, he's strip bait. You. Pulling us away from the pile.
Yeah, good idea. Yeah, it is.
Oh,
it's a banger. Little banger.
I'll just grab him.
Just watch his tail.
It's just gonna come in. Is he good? Yeah, he's looks good, right?
I've given the bail.
Yep.
So. Nice one.
Little bang bang.
Little bang bang.
I'm gonna sit away from this one.
Yeah, good idea. Unreal.
That's what Dave hooked.
Yeah. Ooh, they're sharp. Yeah. Little, little bang bang on the molossi. Yeah, good.
Dad, if I was casting, that would be my first ever bang.
Little bang bang. Straight off the jetty. That's wicked. Hey, dude.
Could I cast?
You won't get another one.
Huh?
You won't get another one. That'll be the same one that smoked Gabe.
Yeah. No, I don't
But you can if you want, yeah.
try to get
That's, yeah, the bail still.
yeah. No, it flipped. That's cool.
Funny, huh?
How's my driving?
Yeah, it's good.
Honestly,
Gonna
really.
turn us back around a bit. Let the current take us.
What a cast. By the way, I've got the camera rolling to get the footage of me hooking on.
Fast, man, I'm gonna push off. Fast. Oh, you should have left that.
Oh. Oh, that was a cast. Oh.
Alright. Let's go find some good fish. That's good. You got a scud, a GT, little baby GT. Look at this for a fucking setup. Ew! How good. Show us your shorts, mate.
I'll get my ass
Full send. Yeah, buddy. Where are you going, mate?
Huh? Stopping the boat from hitting us.
Good on you, mate. Got Savage Blue Water over there behind them. Gabe and Archibald.
Wait, Dad, look at the electric grill. Look at the size of it.
That's massive, eh? Look at this. Shutting up shop for the night.
You gonna do one, Dad?
No. Off to find some good marks in the morning. Night, legends.
That's good. Oh, that's good. Oh, come on, come on, come on. That's a good fish.
Coming up. Oh.
Oh, that's a good fish.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good fish.
Yup. Oh, yup. Big head chase.
Fight it hard, get him up.
Oh my god. Oh my god, no. I got sharked. Look at the size of that head.
Oh no!
Oh,
Braxy.
mate.
We got one on board.
Let's go. Oh.
Cracking effort, mate. That's alright. That's alright.
Guys, look at the size of him.
Oh,
Look at that
mate.
compared to my hands.
Oh, dude. That's alright. That's a cracking effort.
That's 3 kilos in my hands, guys. But
Boy, me and Brax just got a Julie. We both pulled up. Fuck, Brax's nanny must have been probably close to Archie's. It got sharked right at the boat. The fucking head is probably as big as his head, if not bigger.
yeah,
I got one up, but he's legal.
Yeah, we're going to boat.
Cracking effort. That's fucking unlucky, mate. Keep the head on the boat.
mate.
Go back down again.
That would have been my best nanny ever in my whole life.
That's alright.
Alright, let's
Making you
go.
work for it, book.
One time I finally hooked one.
We got one up. I was probably just lucky that.
He took mine.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm locking my drag.
Don't know if you can see, guys, she's pretty dark. First one on the boat. Braxy just got sharked. Poor bugger. Super unlucky. Got him all the way to the boat. He was a lot bigger than the one I got. And he got sharked right at the boat, but hopefully when he goes back down he can jag one, but great start. Nice nanny. Let's go.
There you go, guys. So, beautiful. Oh my god.
That's right, let it load up.
As I was trying to say, beautiful sunrise, big ass head of a largemouth on the boat, but yeah, that's all good. Let it load up.
I did.
From the electric cut, we'll make one to somewhere, I reckon. I was just trying to float one legal fish from this spot, but no, we've got a couple of smag on him.
Take it.
Yeah, okay, I reckon standards must be 35, 38 or 40, I'm not sure.
That's why I always really slowly lift and lower my rod tip. Yes, go bud.
Oh my god, son.
Go mate, go.
Give me the...
I'm sure the game will fly hard.
I'm actually about to flip. No.
Let's go, bud. I wanted you to get one so bad. Well, fuck, you got one up. Fuck, what a classy. Morning, your weapons. Oh, look what happened to this poor bugger. Look at the size of it compared to it. The head went 40, just the head. Beautiful. Cracking effort, buck. Got Dunk over there. Gabe's pulling up beside us there. Got a storm head just there. Another one behind us. Running the gauntlet a bit, but it's good fishing out here, so. Did get one up. Got one nice nanny in there already. Hopefully there's plenty more to come. Hopefully Braxy can get a similar size fish up. See how we go. Full send.
Buy the merch, guys.
He's already slowed down. Very good.
Wait, Dom, send it.
Fuck that in. Hold on, man. Hold on, here, cheers.
Wait, are you gonna go find? Yeah. What's she doing? He's a little wet, and it's, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's about near on 20 knot winds right now. And I'm gonna clap it. And yeah, we're gonna go try and hide on one of the reefs just to get a little bit of protection, but it's pelting down, so probably won't change much. Anyways, next you'll probably see us fishing, so hopefully it's big.
Man, what a trip. We just got back in now. We got caught up in that storm that was out there and managed to get one nice nanny on the boat. Hooked onto something on the troll. Braxy lost a massive nanny, got taxed. But yeah, I mean, it's only early in the morning. I think it's only about 9:30 now. but we had to come back in. That storm was hectic, so we pulled the pin early, unfortunately, but that's them's the Braxx, that's fishing, so we'll just have to send it back out next weekend, and hopefully the weather's a bit nicer to us. And it's a shame because we were getting some good bites, we were finding some good marks, but yeah, it is what it is, no big deal.
Better be safe than sorry.
Yeah, exactly right, like the young fella said. Out over that way on the other side of the marker. He's got Braxy teaching him how to take us back in, so he's going to take us back into the dock and throw the boat on the trailer, and then we'll head back home. And yeah, we'll be back out next weekend. But yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry there wasn't too much action this time, but yeah, we all know what fishing's like, so next time. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you soon.